Hey loves, and welcome back. I wanted to do like a quick 2 weeks consistency challenge updates, guys. We've been posting every single day for the last 2 weeks, for the last 15 days, and I am so proud of myself how far we've come. I wanted to just come on here and share with you guys like the journey, the pros and cons. So we've been posting consistently for the past 16 days. Actually, today's the 16th of July, and first of all, I want to say a huge thank you and congratulations to anyone and everyone that has joined this challenge in one way or the other. I also want to say thank you to everyone that has been watching our videos day in, day out, and also sharing your support, share. Like, you guys have been keeping me going. I'm also excited because I just restarted. I started posting consistently on Instagram as well. I've been posting every single day. But sometimes you just have to take the leap and then do what you got to do. I'm trying to create a balance between what I want to create and what the audience loves to watch. So that's kind of what I'm learning. So I'm gonna go straight to the office, and then we can kind of like go more in depth with like the analytics, performance, all that has been happening. And yeah, let's move. Okay, now we are here. So I was talking about like YouTube and YouTube growth, right? When it comes to YouTube growth, my growth has been slow but steady, and I'm okay with that because I feel like most times people post on YouTube with the hopes of getting views, and for me that's amazing, but that's not the idea and that's not the purpose behind every content I'm uploading. Like, YouTube is such a beautiful platform, not only because like you can monetize from it instantly. Like, when you get monetized, you can start earning from your content that you've created. So my views are not all that right now, but I'm okay with it. Like, I'm okay with it because something that I've learned over time is that when you have a good body of work on YouTube, if it's good and everything is like optimized, thumbnail looks good, title is amazing, content delivers, it only takes you time for the algorithm to recognize you. And like, I will say this time and time over again, if you're not getting views right now, it's okay. Just stay consistent at it. Keep putting out amazing content. And it just takes one video to really like get you there. Yeah, I'm going to look at my analytics now. I don't know if I want to share this with you guys because like sometimes it gets really boring. Well, the video I posted, let me see if I can open it up. There's a video I posted over a year ago, actually. And it's probably one of my most performing videos right now. And it was a hair video, like cornrow video and a hair relaxer video. So don't worry about like you getting that views right now. The essence is for you to show up and build yourself, and in turn get rewarded by maybe getting views, getting subscribers, and then getting money or brand deals or whatever it is. So right now we're just putting out amazing content. We're building up our momentum. We're learning in the process. We're discovering what the audience love. We're learning new like thumbnail placement, thumbnail trials, because now we have 30 days to try out different things and explore and really see what works for us. So let me see if I can find this video. I'm also going to show you my earnings as well for the videos because I don't like hiding those things. And what's the big deal? So I'm going to just quickly, let me open this up and then we'll come back. Something that I'm also learning from this challenge is that I feel like a lot of my audience kind of love more of me showing off like my personality. Let me know if I'm correct. You guys enjoy when I show off a little bit of my personality. And I've created this platform to be more of the educational growth, like more the professional side, and not everyone likes that. So now that I'm seeing that, I'm like, okay, you know what, maybe we could just relax a little bit. And what that will do is that will help you stand out even more. My top videos are some of the videos I posted recently. This crochet hair, it's a reel. This videos 1, 2 are videos that I posted 2 years ago, and I'm still getting like 3,000, 6,000 views from them, which is amazing. This thumbnail video I posted is also 2 years ago, and I'm still getting 3K views. These 4 videos that I posted 2 years ago, I want to show you how the growth has been so far. So let me just quickly open up. So like I said, I posted this video. Let me see if I can get the date. This video has been live for 4 years. I actually thought it was 2 years. This video has been live for 4 years. I posted this video August 2020. Guys, you can see like I posted this video in August. I didn't get views, and then it picked up in December. So this is August, September, October, November, December. It took 5 months for this video to like really get traction. So if you're posting a video today and you're hoping to get the results tomorrow, give yourself a little bit of grace and patience. As long as that video is valuable and you've optimized it amazingly well, just know that you're investing in it. You've invested in it, put it there, and sometimes you can go back to re-optimize it, make it look better, upgrade it. But just let it do its thing. Let it like grow for you, right? It started picking up in December and it went up, right? That's December of 2020. And from there on, it just started like going all the way up. Now this video, this is this video right now in 2025. It has gotten me almost 1 million views, and we can see that in terms of the subscribers, this video alone has given me almost 5,000 subscribers, which is amazing. In terms of the revenue, we've generated about $3,565 from just this one video. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an insight like into the way that I'm thinking right now. And for creators who are creating and feel like they're stuck, sometimes it could take you a year or two to really like reap the seeds that you have sown. I'm gonna open up another video, right? This video, I know I filmed this video. Let me see more. So I published this video in 2023. When I first published it, the growth wasn't really there, but it was steadily growing. But we can see like from here, right here, it just went all the way up. Now this video currently has about 150k views, almost 160k views, and we have generated almost $1,000 from this video. So yeah, this is another of my videos that like took a while to blow up or to get views or to get recognition. But once it starts getting the recognition and the algorithm realizes that, oh, that video actually is valuable, it starts doing its thing. It starts building you up. It starts like lighting fire on that video, so that way more people can get the value that you've created. So let's open another video. This one is a thumbnail video. I made this one again in 2023, 2 years ago. And this video started off, I posted this video in March 2023. When I first posted this video was like below my average. As you guys can see, like this gray line is like my steady growth, like it's my average view rate. But this video initially was below that line, and I thought this video wasn't going to hit. I thought it was just like, oh my god, like a hit or miss. But the content, what was inside, what I filmed, the value that I had was amazing, but people did not discover it on time. But then after, this is in March, after July, 5 months again, after July, it picked up, and then it now went above like my average views. And we can see that this has gotten me almost 3,000 subscribers, and in terms of like my revenue, about $1,000, which is still amazing as well. So yeah, most of the content that I uploaded usually like are below average, or like this one that was below average the first couple of days I uploaded it. This one also was below average, and this one also was below average. Like they were all like horribly in terms of like initial performance. We're performing like terribly, right? You know those videos that you post, and then when you're looking at the ranking, it's like number 7 out of 10. I have a lot of those. But in terms of the algorithm, it doesn't matter if that content is like the 7th performing or the 10th performing or the 9th performing, because that video might have the potential to be number 1 on your channel. And I would know that because look at this, because like I'm enjoying this thing, and something that I'm spending my time more on is on the back end in terms of like my analytics, right? I want to see like what am I doing that people actually enjoy watching. like what points in my videos. And then something I look out for is in terms of like my intros. Most times you have high retention within the first 30 seconds, and then later on they drop off. I want to see, okay, because now I have a system, I have a structure in terms of like how I film, how I edit. Okay, this structure is not working for me because now a lot of people are dipping and leaving my content. Maybe I need to restructure it and do things differently. And that's part of one of the essence of this 30-day challenge, is to really give myself 30 days to really learn and grow and build myself up the best way possible. And in turn, hopefully grow in terms of like numbers and all that. And yeah, like this has just been an eye-opening experience, and it's really been the spark that I've needed to get a bit of clarity, more direction and momentum to like keep doing what I'm doing, regardless of whether I'm seeing results or not, because clearly I'm not seeing results at this point. I'm not seeing results. Like my views are so, like they're so, what word should I use? They're so depressing. But like I said, I'm not focused on the short-term gains, but I'm focused on the long-term gains and benefits, right? So YouTube for me is a long game. It's a long investment, but sometimes you will get like short-term rewards, which is amazing. But like the way that I've programmed my mind is, if I want instant growth, Instagram is a space. If I want steady but consistent and buildable and profitable growth, YouTube is that space for me. So if you have been part of this journey, I want to know, like, how has this been? If you're also trying to show up for yourself, I want to let you know that you're doing amazing. Forget about the short-term results. Look at the long-term end goal. And just know that you program your mind to give yourself and do the best that you can do, and then expect and be expectant for a future reward, right? But don't overwork yourself with getting a reward right now. Focus on like building and growing and knowing that the reward will come in. It might be in a different shape or form, but it will come. It could even be like a brand deal. It could be something else. It could be a business, but just be expectant of that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini creation, consistent 30-day challenge, 2 weeks update. And I wanted to let you guys know that we are still alive. And also thank you for supporting us. Thank you for watching our videos, commenting, liking, sharing. I see you guys. I try to reply as much as possible. When I'm done with this challenge, I'm going to spend like an entire day just for engagement, just for responding, just for data analysis. Maybe like not even one day, like maybe 1 week for data analysis. And yeah, because right now my life is moving like a cycle. Like when I'm done with this, I'm going to edit this video right now, because this video needs to go up live tomorrow, which is going to be on the 17th of July. So like I'm working like around the clock, and yeah, I'm just always behind the scenes, either creating or editing. And I need like a week after I'm done with this challenge to really just connect with you guys. So if you're watching this video, give me a like for all the hard work and all the value that we're creating. Hopefully we're creating value and we're sharing value as well. But give me a like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys later. And congratulations for showing up for yourself. And if you've not shown up for yourself, this is your wake-up call to show up for yourself. And yeah, stay fabulous, stay amazing, stay blessed, and stay creating, okay? Bye, guys.